up, Monday gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post. My videos on the way. So I'm gonna just do this quick like 2-minute video showing y'all how I make my furry lip gloss keychain rings. So this one I already put on, but basically all you're gonna need is these jump rings. Well, I don't know if you can, oh, I got it upside down. These jump rings, they look like this. You're gonna need something to stick a hole through your lip gloss. So I use this, but it came with my Cricut machine, so I have no idea what it's called. So you can use something like a needle. I know some people use scissors or knives, but this is like better for me. Of course, you're gonna need some lip gloss and then the furry keychain that you're gonna use. So basically, you're gonna want to stick a hole right in the middle of the lip gloss. Don't put it too far up because then it kind of like a breakthrough, and don't put it too far down because then you put a hole in the lip gloss and the lip gloss is gonna come out. So I'm just gonna stick a hole right here in the middle. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the hole. Then I'm gonna get one of these jump rings, push it open like that, and then just stick the jump ring through the lip gloss. And then stick this on the keychain. Dang, sorry for keep going off camera. Oh no. Then I just push them together until it like closes. I do use pliers, but I don't feel like going downstairs to get them. I will, before I ship this one off, I will like make sure it's secure and won't come off. But basically, yeah, that's all you do to make a cute little keychain. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gang.